So how can you see the apps which are running in the background on your Android? So let me explain that and show you how you could find it. If it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first way, the first step on our guide would be to open up the settings and find connections at the top and find the data usage. This is useful because you can browse the data usage through Wi-Fi and through the mobile data, but you might be wondering what it has to do with like apps running in the background, but that's actually really important because the Wi-Fi or internet usage is actually caused by apps which are running in the background. So for example, when I open up my Wi-Fi data usage, I can see a couple of different apps, but when I tap on, for example, Meta App Manager, you're going to see that it is running in the background as much as it's running in the foreground, actually much more in the background, right? It's like a service, which I don't even know what it is, really. It's not really an app, right? And you can see that it's running in the background and it's using quite a lot of storage. I mean, quite a lot of data, but not only data, but it's also using the power, the battery, and so on. So I have the ability to disable the background data usage, and it's going to basically limit the service, so sort of from accessing internet as well as like using the battery. But outside of that, the second part of the settings that we have to go into is the apps section right here, and you have the ability to manage your app specifically or one by one. So I can tap on, for example, the web browser and proceed to the battery section of this app. And you can see that there are three options. We have the unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. So that's how you can basically select if the app is allowed to run in the background, and that's how you can see which apps are actually running in the background without you knowing. So if you choose restricted, that is basically going to stop any running in the background, and the app may not work as expected or notifications may be delayed, so it's up to you, but that is how you can manage it and at least know which apps this applies to. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.